Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic BricsCAD tutorial how to text to Polyline. So for example, I will create a text object. I will create in here. I will set the names into example. Now if you want to convert this text into polylines, you can go to Express Tools and then click on Modify Text, choose Explode. Select the text object and then you can press enter. The next, use join command to join these all objects and then you can press enter. If you select this text, will be set into polyline. Okay, that's it for basic BricsCAD tutorial how to text to polyline. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.